So,
Empty.
Alba is helping me. Alba, are you helping me open the advent calendar today?
Yeah.
Yeah, so what day do we need to do? Do you know what date it is today? It's the 9th. Do you think you can find number 9? It's not 17. No, what does the shape of number 9 look like?
I don't know.
Is it a curly? It's a circle with a curly bit coming off it. That's number 8, so that was yesterday. That's number 9, yeah. Do you want to try and open it and see what's inside there? Do you want to show them in the camera what it's inside? What's inside? Take it out. Oh, what is that? It's like, is it?
Let's but I want another thing.
You want another thing? Okay, we put up another one. So this one is Aromatherapy Associates London in a beautiful frosted glass bottle, and it's bath and shower oil. Do you want to smell it? I'm going to smell it. Oh, let's smell this.
Ooh.
Do you like it? It's quite strong, isn't it? I'm going to have a nice shower of that. Was there anyone in that one?